Today, we're going to show you how to make $1,000 or more in PayPal just by simply viewing your favorite YouTube videos. It may seem hard to believe right now, but we're going to go onto my screen in just a few minutes and I'll show you precisely how this works, so you can take advantage of it for yourself. Before we get started, here are several fantastic videos that I've been researching, and you are creating this video tutorial fully for free and making them available to you so you can take advantage of these online money-making opportunities to attain financial independence and care for yourself and your family to live the life you've always desired. This 2021, this will be a simple way to earn money online. I'll show you the best and most up-to-date platforms for making money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the conclusion if you're interested. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. In today's video, we're going to speak about a fantastic new approach to profit from a very innovative company strategy. You can just find and watch videos on YouTube that you're interested in, and you may get paid to do so. So, without further ado, let's take a look at my computer screen. Now I'm going to show you guys how this works, but be warned, it's a little bit complicated, so don't skip ahead and watch it all the way through. Because the truth is, you can't expect to generate money online if you can't watch a 10-minute free video on YouTube. So, what we're going to do is go to YouTube and search for famous content. Now, what are some of the most popular YouTube videos? For me, it's unquestionably gaming. GTA 5 and Minecraft are the first things that come to me when I think of video games. So right now, we're going to write in Minecraft here on the search bar and press enter. What we witness is a crowd of hundreds of thousands of people watching people play Minecraft in real time. Look at these videos. It has hundreds of thousands of views in just a couple of hours. It's literally insane. A large number of people are watching these videos. So, let's go to this person's YouTube channel. It appears that they are primarily playing Minecraft. Therefore, this is an excellent example. All you need to do now is to click on sort right here and click on most popular. Look at this YouTube channel. It earns hundreds of thousands of views at least and millions at most. As you can see, this video right here is titled Playing as a Baby Kitten in Minecraft. It gained 12 million views. It's totally fantastic. This is a wonderful example of a hugely popular video with over 12 million views just playing Minecraft as a baby kitten. I'm not sure what it means to me, but it doesn't matter. All we need is a popular video. Why is this important to you? Because the more people who are interested and watch these videos, the more money you'll be able to generate. For this tutorial, I will click on this video. Once you have already found a trending YouTube video, all you need to do now is go to the following two websites that will pay us a decent amount of money. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. All you need to do now is go to this website, namely shrinkme.io. As you can see here, shorten URLs and earn money. To guarantee you that this is a massive company, just scroll a little bit. Here, as you can see, there are over 69 million clicks done today. Moving sideward, there are over 1.3 million registered users. It's totally amazing. This website essentially pays you to share your links on the internet. Now we are on the platform's homepage. I want you to click on payment proofs right here to know your earning potential. As you can see here, if you click from Greenland, you will be earning $22. If the click comes from the United States, you will be earning $7. On this part are the countries, and on this part are their equivalent rates per 1,000 views. It's totally amazing. For you to start shortening the link, you need to go back to the homepage of this platform. Once you're on the homepage already, go back to the famous YouTube video that we already found earlier. Now, all you need to do is scroll a little bit and find this share button and click it. By doing so, this box will pop out. You need to click this copy right here in order for the link to be copied on the clipboard. If the URL was already copied, go back to the website and paste the URL here on this box and click on this arrow. Just wait a couple of seconds and your brand new shortened link will pop out. The second website that may be used to shorten the link is shorty.st. If you want to compare the earning potentials, just scroll down to the bottom and click on payout rates. By doing so, you will be redirected to this page wherein you can see that the highest rate guarantee is the United States, which will pay you over $14. You may use this platform to shorten links too, but in my case, I will use shrinkme.io because it has a high payment rate. Also, shrinkme.io is the biggest and most popular and has the most users. The first thing that we do is find the best and famous video. Second, shorten the URL. But before you shorten the URL, you need to create your account respectively. Third, we need to go to a website called minecraftforum.net. If we go to the Minecraft forum, we can see that it is a site where millions of Minecrafters gather every day to talk about Minecraft. On the right portion of the website, you will see the active forum topics at this time. All you need to do is click on the forum right here when you are on this website. As you can see, there are over 100,000 posts on this topic, as well as here and here. Now, just click on these topics right here. Once the topic is already open, you need to write a post saying my favorite Minecraft video is this one. I can't believe we're watching it from the perspective of a kitten. I know that sounds funny, but this is something that literally millions and millions of people do. And you can see that these were quite recent threads with tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views. If you continue scrolling, you will see this one has over 260,000 views. And if you do a calculation, if one half of this will click on your link, $2,860. 2,600,000 divided by 2 equals 130,000 divided by 1,000 and multiplied by 220. Because as you can see here, you will earn $220 per 10,000 views. Maybe you will be wondering why you will be paid in this manner. Well, if someone clicks on this link, they will be redirected to a page wherein they need to watch some 5-second ad so that they can watch the YouTube video. That's basically how it works. This strategy in earning money online is very awesome, but keep in mind, you will not be rich in this manner within a day or overnight. It's a fascinating technique to make money that requires almost no effort. Just simply shortening a link and requiring viewers to watch a 5-second advertisement before proceeding to watch the YouTube video. And the best part is that you can do it with the other content. You can do this with GTA 5 and other viral video games. Then you share your link in groups on Facebook, forums, and other social media sites, as well as in YouTube comments. The more people who click, the more money you earn. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.